Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset and restore your Samsung Galaxy M10 to factory default settings. Start by unlocking the phone, press the power key and swipe up. Swipe up again and go into settings. Then go into general management, choose reset and select factory data reset. This will erase everything from your phone, including settings, Google account, system data, apps, music, and pictures. If you're sure, select Reset and delete all. The phone will shut down and perform the factory data reset. Just wait until it's completed. The phone is now back to factory default state and ready to be set up again, just like new. I hope this video helped you. Please leave a like and subscribe.